Hi, how are you? My name is Andres Felipe Diaz. I am 27 years old and I live in Cali. I am studying Industrial Electronic Automation at UNAD. I like taking my feet for walking is the part, spending time with my family and watching movies. I also like driving to places I'm bit near for it. I my free time and taking of the time out of school work than you for your attitude. See your son.